Hello, hello. This is Angelica here on Halsted Street. Guess where we are? Boys Town. The only place where any creed, nationality, gender, sexual orientation is accepted here. We have a lot of clubs, a lot of shops, a lot of coffee shops, restaurants, basically anything you could do to have fun. All you gotta do is walk down this street and feel happy. Don't forget, we are in June, Pride Month. Happy Pride, y'all. June is where it all happens. June 26th is actually the parade. So make sure you come by June 26th at 12 o'clock p.m. till God knows what time. Today we're going to talk about the Civil Union Act. It went through June 1st, so let's try to see what people think about this act. All right, guys, I'm here with Brian, and we're talking about the Civil Union that just passed on June 1st. Brian, what do you think about this Civil Union that just passed on June 1st in Illinois?
I think it's a step in the right direction. I think Illinois has been pretty conservative when it comes to equal rights, especially with marriage and gay marriage. So while we're not there yet, I think it's definitely progressing.
And that's right. And now, what do you think about now? One of the facts about this civil union is that you can go ahead and do your state taxes with your partner, but you can't do your federal taxes. What do you think about that?
I mean, with Obama being in the White House, and I think that he's changed his mind on marriage and the laws and what the rights are that comes with a civil union or hopefully a marriage someday in Illinois. I think that it's going to eventually happen. I think that we're just going to take these state rights that we have and hope that they become expanded like other states have done. And hopefully that federally we'll be able to have the same thing that, heterosexual couples have.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Ryan, for your opinion, and
Thank
you have
you.
a great day, okay?
Thank you.
We're here with Nicole, and we're talking about the civil union that just passed June 1st. What do you think about this, Nicole?
I think it's good. I don't know too much about it, which is kind of bad, but
They've been doing it in all the states, and it
Yeah.
actually just passed. You can actually just, get your rights with your partner. You go to to downtown and get your little certificate, and you share your rights with your partner. But now they're saying that you can do your state taxes with your partner, but you can't do your federal taxes with your partner. What do you think about all that and how it's all working out?
I think that they should just go ahead and let everyone have the same rights, and whatever you want to call it, like, if you don't want to call it marriage, but like as far as like the way the government works and how you should be able to like live your life in that aspect, like I think it should just be for everyone, no matter who you choose to be with, when no one else is around.
Are you ready for Pride?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Yeah, see, we all say it happily. We are so ready for Pride. Well, thank you so much for your
Thanks.
input. Well, that's it. This is Angelica reporting from Halsted. See you at Pride.